Hello! Today, we're carving well, not today, it's tonight actually. It's pretty dark outside right now. I'm outside because we're carving this plastic 3D printed pumpkin. Why are we carving it in the dark? Because it's Halloween and I forgot to make a video. So, I 3D printed this pumpkin quickly. Yes, it's not perfect. I need more cooling on this printer. But the rest of it turned out pretty well. So, the way we're going to carve this pumpkin is with a heat gun and a knife. We're going to heat up the knife and carve the pumpkin. Let's see. We'll see if this works. And yes, it's really dark. Some lights. All right. So this heat gun I got on Amazon for about $20 on sale. It was like $30, got on sale for $20, so I think it was a pretty good deal. You can go to about 500 degrees Celsius, I think. Yeah, this can go to 500 degrees Celsius, so that's more than enough to melt PLA plastic. So, let's get started. Let's try doing some eyes. Alright, so we have a problem. This doesn't seem to cut it. I had it on for a while. If I push too hard, it's going to snap the pumpkin. It's hollow. There's 4 perimeters on it. So, time for plan B. Don't want to heat it up too much or else it'll completely melt. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh. Right now it's just really squishy. Didn't really melt it to the point where you can just cut it. I need to rethink this. Okay, plan C. We're now going to use a normal pumpkin carver. We're going to heat the face of this up and try and poke a hole in it. And then I think we can go from there. Let's see, what's a good face? Let's do this side because it's facing up. High. Actually, let's do low for this. That just made a large dent. This is proving to be a bit more difficult than I thought. Well, we can't carve that face anymore. Let's move on to the other side. I think we should go with heating up this instead of the pumpkin. It might work better. Success! We have got a hole in it. I had to heat this up for quite a while. Now let's try and cut it with the hole with the pumpkin carver. I'm just going to go for triangle eyes. Well, guess we need to heat this up again. We've managed to get through, and I cut a little bit. Now that we have a decent hole, I can start cutting a little bit better. Okay, now that we have one side, let's try and do the other side of the triangle eye. So we have that slant, like that. Okay, it seems the faster you can do it, the better. And you want to go over it again, or else it'll become one solid object again, because it melts back together. Okay, I'll try and do the next slice on camera, but you have to do it really quick. Oh, this is hard to do on camera. Oh! I got one eye. Yes, this is not perfect, but it's... What can you expect? It's PLA plastic with a heat gun. Well, one eye done. One other eye to go. Oh no, we ran into a problem. Good thing I brought these. But at least I got another cut done. For the most part. Okay, so this is the state of our pumpkin so far. We have 2 eyes done. They're not very good triangles, and it's now, like, not focusing. There we go. That's the state of our pumpkin. We still need a nose and a mouth. Alright, let's go. This nose is kind of hard to persuade to come off, so we're going to use some pliers. Oof. There. Eyes in the nose. This is turning out way more difficult than I first imagined. So at first I was going to go for the classic pumpkin smile, but now I think any smile will do. Because I don't know how I'm going to do a real life smile. I can't even make circles. Alright, let's try it. Also, this thing's completely bent. It's bent horizontally and vertically. Well, this is what I get for getting dollar store stuff, I guess. Or, you know, maybe pumpkin carvers aren't meant to be heating up to 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've gotten this far. Started doing the mouth, it curves up. Except, for some reason, it won't go through the plastic anymore. I keep trying to make it melt through the plastic, but it's not. So, I mean, my only option is to try harder. Success. Oh. Ow. Yeah, I guess this was not made to cut 3D printed pumpkins. Well, that's a problem. Another reason why I brought these. There we go, problem fixed. Problem not fixed, this won't work. Ooh, that one worked. It bent it, but it worked. That's a bit of a lopsided smile. I think that's fine, you know. No harm done with a lopsided smiled pumpkin. Just adds more art to it. People will be jealous of how much art skill I have. Oh, my hand. Except we got it. Maybe. It just needs some convincing. Oh, just like a real pumpkin. Just like a real pumpkin. Oh wow. That turned out better than I kind of thought. Now we need to put some light in there. I'm not taking off the top, so we're going to take off the bottom, because it's already coming off. There. Just like a real pumpkin. I mean, doing everything backwards and taking off the bottom, maybe that'll become the new trend. Who knows? That could definitely become a great trend. Now let's just take out all the guts. That worked really well. Ooh, it's toasty in there. Our pumpkin is finished. Now to show it off to the world. Oh, it's actually getting kind of warm. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Turn on the flashlight. Put in the pumpkin. Ooh, wow. Doesn't even really work. It's just really bright. Spooky. That's just kind of cool. I like that. Thank you for watching this video. This was a pretty hard and long journey. Actually, hey, how long was that? Oh, I can't check. So thanks for watching. I mean, like, subscribe, sure, why not? That'll be fun. I would say no pumpkin carvers were harmed in the process of this video, but bent that one. That one's broken, so can't really say that anymore. Hope you liked it. Leave in the comments below if I should try and do something next with 3D printing. It's pretty fun. Except this is it's fun actually. I'm lying. It was interesting. Set up this studio thing in the dark. You know, it's pretty dark right now. So I'll see you in the next video. See ya.